Hi, Johan. Thanks for chatting. Um, your team obviously littered with Springboks throughout. And as they say in the classics, the highest tree catches the most wind. We've seen some severe criticism, not just of your team, but of players like Andre Pollard and Villy, perhaps. Speak to us about the role they play, even when it seems to us mere mortals that they don't perform at the level that we see them perform in World Cups.
I mean, hello, Jan. I think Tide Furlong was regarded as one of the best tight heads in world rugby, and then he got scrummed by the Italians, and everybody wanted to have a comment. The players goes up and down like anything in life. Everybody in rugby, Sasha had criticism, Willie has got criticism, Andre. That's the reality. There's people has got no mercy. It's crazy that, 1 week they can win a World Cup and 2 weeks later the same person can be breakdown and cracked on. So that's the reality we live in. That sport is got his highs and his lows. So we obviously can only judge but by what we see, what we experience in the week building up to a game. And selection is never easy. You're always going to disappoint players if you don't select them, but you can only, if you've got a squad of 40, 45 players, you can only pick 23. There will always be disappointment. And sometimes it's small margins. You have to think, how's the weather going to be? You can't control that. Then you have to think, is the game going to be chased down in the last 20 minutes, or are you going to lead in the last 20 minutes? You're going to, players off the bench have to cover more than one position. Then you got the experience factor. Do you go with no experience or experience? So there's so many factors, and ultimately you have to make a decision. That's just anything about rugby. You have to make a decision and back that decision, and then we'll live and with the result. You can't change it and say, oh, I should have or could have. It's gone, it's done. You can't turn it back. So that's the toughest thing about coaching. You pick 23 players, and then sometimes it come, you just have to back them and believe that they can do the job. And all of the players, I mean, um, it doesn't matter who it is. We know what they can do, and hopefully that when we really need it, they will stand up and show that. But everybody is still human, so mistakes there will be, as long as we can support each other and be there for each other.
Thanks very much, Johan. Appreciate it.
Okay.